Welcome to BandLab For Schools. I'm so excited that you made the decision to transform the music in your school. You're joining a growing group of progressive teachers who know that children love music and technology. In fact, it's the air that they breathe. Well, now you can quickly and easily incorporate BandLab into your classroom and deliver the curriculum in an engaging and inclusive way. BandLab For Education brings award-winning music creation features to the classroom, empowering teachers and their students with everything they need for collaborative and fun musical learning. Nothing to patch or install, the cloud-based platform works on Mac, Windows, Linux and Chromebooks. It's safe and it's free. When I discovered the music making software BandLab, I knew it was a game changer. Why? Because it's free and it approaches music making in a way that engages and motivates young people. Over 28 million people worldwide at the last count, and so I set about creating a course that would work on two levels. BandLab For Schools give teachers the tools to enable them to teach effectively in an area that at first they might feel somewhat apprehensive about. Step-by-step video tutorials allow you to quickly and easily incorporate BandLab into your classroom and deliver the curriculum and the basic elements of music, including melody, texture, rhythm, form, and dynamics in an engaging and inclusive way. Whilst for students, they get to learn music through songwriting, using the styles and genres that they love. CPD in the classroom. In this course, both you and your students will learn through doing. You learn how to set up your school and online classrooms, how to enroll your students, and how to get them started exploring the thousands of sampled loops and virtual instruments through their own personal projects. The video tutorials allow you as the teacher to learn whilst you teach. You don't need to spend hours of your own time preparing lessons, working out how to use the software or deliver the course. Just press play, have a course, and then just add any additional learning on top. Lesson plans, summaries, printouts and quizzes will ensure that incorporating new technology in your classroom need not be onerous and scary, but fun and exciting. You will see a transformation in your students' approach to music as they realize their potential. Teach and learn through the power of collaboration. Want to keep track of your class's progress and provide real-time feedback on student activity? Well, BandLab For Education will do that and more. Their teacher management system lets you send assignments, grade submissions, and give valuable feedback to your students. Through the process of creating a structured song in any one of over 100 genres, your students will learn the building blocks of music, including melody, texture, rhythm, form, and dynamics. The basic skills of how to use a DAW, digital audio workstation, how to audition and find appropriate sounds for different elements of a song, like the introduction, verse and chorus, how to appraise their progress and that of their peers, how to write their own lyrics, how to audition, play virtual MIDI instruments and record their own melodies and solos. Tips and tricks you can use to add the final touches to a song, making it sound cohesive and professional. How to make your finished track sound even better through mastering. This course empowers and motivates students to become musicians. It gives them confidence in their innate ability to create in the medium that they know so well, technology. The results are astounding. BandLab For Education can be accessed at home too, meaning that their exploration and experimentation continues outside school. And now there's a mobile app which makes making music even easier. Safe collaborative tools means that students can form partnerships with their friends and write songs together. But it goes much further than that. The teacher can set up partnerships with other classes in other schools, inviting them to join a project. This might be established locally, nationally, or internationally. The possibilities are endless. I sincerely hope you enjoy teaching this course and that your students discover the joy of learning through making music.